People have been using AI to create some amazing product designs that can be sold on print on demand, digital products, wall art, all kinds of different stuff. The only problem is that it really just comes down to a numbers game. And while using AI is fast, it's not quite fast enough to build a business that can grow to 7 figures when you really need hundreds, if not thousands of designs. The only two problems with those designs is, number one, the outputs are hit or miss. Like sometimes it looks great, sometimes you're like, what in God's name is that? And the second thing is the sheer amount of designs that it takes in order to be successful. I automated an AI that's able to generate thousands of designs per hour. It does everything from come up with the idea to generating the prompt to then creating the image and even uploading it onto my website for me. In fact, it works so well that the only issue I've really been running into with it is that it sometimes hits a rate limit, but more on that in a second. So let's jump in and see how it works. So it's pretty basic, but this is the start of the whole process. And all that we have to do here is you just enter your name of your company or your brand. Like I have a print on demand brand, vacay threads. My brand voice is kind of like a hippie, and it's asking that for product descriptions and product titles. Type of company, print on demand, and then product type. For this example, I'm going to be showing you how it makes t-shirt designs, but you can put anything in here. Canvases, digital art, pretty much whatever you want, and then it feeds that to the AI to generate the prompts for us. Then the design theme, this is like the general idea or overarching theme that we wanted to generate designs from, which we can be as specific or broad as we want. So for the design theme, I'm going to do travel destinations. A number of designs. You could literally put 1, 10, 1,000, whatever you want, but I'm gonna do 10 designs just for example. And then we come over here and hit generate designs. And this is going to automatically populate with prompts that it's then going to pass to the AI. So you can see that it generated these prompts here that are going to describe what we want the image to look like, and it completely came up with these on our own. Not just the image for us that we can then put on our t-shirts, but it also generates a product title and description. Then as you can see, it's generating the product titles and descriptions for us. What it's doing is it's referencing the prompt that it created and then overlaying it with the title prompt that I coded in for it. Not fancy computer coding, just Excel spreadsheet formula, but it's taking the concept, coming up with a product title that I told it to end with the word t-shirt. Then it's also creating a description. The best part is that then it automatically uses this to upload into Printify. By the end of this process that you're going to see in a second, it's going to have a finished product live in Printify with our own product description and title completely done for us. And then if we go over to Printify, we see our finished design is live on the site, which this process normally takes freaking hours to do, like uploading it and putting it on the mockups and stuff, but now it does it all for us. The best part is that it already took our product title and our description and put it in there. I'm going to customize this more so it puts like the product bullet points and stuff like that. There's a ton of features that can be added to this thing. Like something I want to do is to allow you to upload your top selling products or products that you like, and then it'll just generate more like that for you. I think that'd be so cool to be able to look at not only your own products, but even like your competitors and see what's selling well for them. It will generate more for you and then automatically put those onto your products. And again, this can be done for not just t-shirts, but canvases, whatever you want. The reason the title of this video was 1,000 in an hour is I just did it with 10, but you can literally just type in 1,000. The only reason I'm not doing that right now is I don't want to dump in 1,000 vacation designs, but you can do that with 1,000, 10,000. I recommend changing genre or like the theme each time, because then it'll just generate like too many of basically the same image. You could change it, like do 50 at a time, say like 50 vacation, 50 travel, 50 sunset, 50 beach, and you would have like a ton of designs. Even better yet, you can go to OpenAI, ask ChatGPT for examples of sub niches. I did this in another video. I asked it for 100 prompts, 10 for each sub niche within vacay threads. It generated 100 for you. So it's pretty cool. Again, the whole reason for this is that the process of like 1, coming up with the prompt, 2, copying it into an image generator, DALL-E or Midjourney, or there's a couple other ones out there. It just takes a while. You have to copy, hit enter, wait for it to load, and then pick which one. This just takes all that out of it. The reason I'm making a video about this is 1, to show you because I thought it was cool, but 2, I'm thinking about turning this into a software and offering it to people for everyone to use. I think charging something cheap for people to make per product would allow people to start quickly grow their own online business. You could have a print-on-demand store with 1,000 products live by tomorrow, starting with absolutely nothing. At the very least, it would take you several days of working full-time, non-stop, and this can do it automatically. And better yet, it will be able to learn from what's working best for you and then make iterations for you. And then not only that, it can expand for you into other product verticals. I could tell it right now to make 50 canvas designs for vacay threads. Then I could tell it to make 50 tapestry designs, 50 mug designs. It would do all of those, automatically upload it, and be live on the site within the next 30-40 minutes. So let me know in the comment section below if this is something you'd be interested in and I should make it available to the public. You can even enter your email in the link in the description below, where I'll send out a newsletter when it goes live and you'll be the very first person to know. But anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this has been pretty cool to you. I'm super excited about it. Again, it's just the very beginning of what AI has to offer. So be sure to subscribe and like to see more AI business content in the near future, and I'll see you soon. Bye.